Imagine this for a second. What if an entire YouTube video, the idea, the script, the thumbnail, the title, the editing style, even the strategy, was created almost completely by artificial intelligence? No creative team, no expensive production, just AI tools and one experiment. The real question is, could that actually become a viral YouTube video? Today we're not just talking about it, we're testing it. From zero to upload. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly what happened when AI tried to crack the YouTube algorithm. Did it fail, or did it surprise everyone? Before we start the experiment, if you enjoy learning how AI can help you build online income streams, grow on YouTube, and discover new digital opportunities, make sure you tap that like button and subscribe to the channel. Here on AI Side Hustle, we test real AI tools, real strategies, and real experiments so you can see what actually works. Subscribing helps the channel grow and tells YouTube to recommend this video to more people who are curious about AI. Now let's jump into the experiment. The idea for this video started with a simple question. Every day, thousands of people upload videos to YouTube hoping to go viral. But what if AI could predict what viewers want to watch better than humans? AI already writes articles, generates images, edits videos, and even composes music. So, theoretically, it should be able to design a viral YouTube video. Right? Or maybe creativity is still something only humans truly understand. That's exactly what we're going to find out. So here are the rules of the experiment. First, AI must generate the video idea. Second, AI must write the full script. Third, AI must design the thumbnail concept. Fourth, AI must suggest the title and description. And finally, AI will help plan the editing style. The only human part in this process will be executing those instructions. Think of it like AI being the director, and we're just the production crew following orders. To start the experiment, we asked the AI a simple question. What type of video has the highest chance of going viral on YouTube right now? The AI analyzed trends, engagement patterns, and popular topics. After looking at thousands of data points, it suggested something interesting. Videos that combine curiosity, experimentation, and storytelling often perform extremely well, especially when the audience feels like they are watching a real test or challenge unfold. That's why this experiment exists right now. The AI literally suggested testing whether AI can create a viral video. It's almost like AI challenged itself. And honestly, that made the concept even more interesting. Next step, the script. We asked AI to create a long storytelling script designed for high watch time and strong audience retention. It studied patterns from successful YouTube creators, things like emotional hooks, curiosity loops, pacing, and storytelling structure. One key pattern it found is something called the open loop. That means giving viewers questions early in the video and slowly answering them as the video continues. For example, right now, you might be wondering, did the video actually go viral? Did the AI strategy work? Or did it completely fail? Those questions keep your brain curious, and curiosity is one of the biggest drivers of watch time on YouTube. The next part of the experiment was choosing a title. Titles are incredibly important because they determine whether people click or scroll past your video. The AI analyzed thousands of viral YouTube titles and noticed a pattern. Titles that create curiosity but still clearly explain the idea perform best. So the AI suggested something similar to Can AI create a viral YouTube video? We tested it. Simple, clear, but also intriguing. Then came the thumbnail concept. The AI recommended something visually dramatic. A split image showing a human creator on one side and a glowing AI robot on the other. Big, bold text asking something like who wins. The goal is to make people instantly understand the concept while also triggering curiosity. Because, remember, thumbnails are not just images. They are psychological triggers. Now, here's where the experiment got really interesting. The AI didn't just stop at the creative side. It also suggested an upload strategy. According to the data it analyzed, the first few hours after a video is published are extremely important. If viewers click the video and watch for a long time, YouTube's algorithm starts recommending it to more people. So the AI suggested focusing on 3 key metrics: click-through rate, average view duration, and audience retention. The higher those numbers are, the more YouTube pushes the video. So now everything was ready. The idea, the script, the title, the thumbnail concept, and the upload strategy were all created by AI. The only thing left was to publish the video and see what happens. But before we reveal the results, let's talk about something important. Why do some videos go viral while others completely fail? Many people think viral videos happen randomly, but that's not actually true. Most viral videos follow certain patterns. One pattern is emotional reaction. Videos that make people feel surprised, inspired, or curious tend to spread faster. Another pattern is relatability. If viewers feel personally connected to the topic, they are more likely to watch longer. There is also something called share value. People share content that makes them look interesting, smart, or helpful. Understanding these patterns is exactly why AI might have an advantage. AI can analyze millions of data points much faster than any human creator. But data alone doesn't always equal creativity. And that's the big question behind this experiment. Now, let's talk about the moment the video was finally uploaded. The first few minutes were quiet. Like most YouTube uploads, it started with only a handful of views. Then the algorithm slowly began showing the video to more people. At the 1 hour mark, something interesting happened. The click-through rate was higher than average. That meant the title and thumbnail were doing their job. People were curious enough to click. But clicks alone aren't enough. So the next metric we watched was audience retention. Surprisingly, viewers were staying longer than expected. The storytelling structure created by AI seemed to be working. 2 hours later, the views started increasing faster. Not explosively viral yet, but clearly gaining momentum. And that leads to an important insight. Viral videos rarely explode instantly. Most of them grow in waves. The algorithm tests the video, and if the response is good, it shows it to a bigger group. So what happened next in our AI experiment? Over the next 24 hours, the video kept gaining views. The click-through rate stayed strong, and watch time remained higher than the channel average. that told us something fascinating. I may not perfectly understand human creativity yet, but it definitely understands patterns, and patterns are extremely powerful on platforms like YouTube. But the experiment also revealed some limitations. For example, while the AI created a strong structure, some parts of the script still needed human adjustments to sound more natural. Humans naturally add personality and subtle storytelling details that AI sometimes misses. Think of AI like an incredibly smart assistant. The best results often happen when humans and AI work together, and that might actually be the future of content creation. So let's answer the biggest question of this experiment. Did the AI create's video actually go viral? The honest answer is partially. Partially, the video performed significantly better than the channel's average uploads, higher click-through rate, higher watch time, and stronger engagement. But it didn't explode to millions of views overnight, and that actually teaches us something valuable. Virality is never guaranteed. However, AI clearly increased the probability of success. It helped design a video optimized for the algorithm. It improved the storytelling structure. And for creators trying to grow on YouTube, that advantage can make a huge difference. Imagine combining human creativity with AI analysis for every video you upload. That combination could be incredibly powerful. Another interesting discovery was audience engagement. Viewers were leaving more comments than usual. Many people were curious about the experiment itself, and that conversation is exactly what platforms like YouTube reward. So, should you start using AI for your own YouTube channel? The answer depends on how you use it. If you rely completely on AI, the content might feel generic, but if you use AI as a creative partner, it can dramatically speed up your workflow. Think of AI as a brainstorming partner that never gets tired. The tools keep getting better every year, which means creators who learn to use them early may have a huge advantage. That's why experiments like this matter. Instead of guessing what works, we test it. Now imagine the possibilities if AI continues improving at this pace. What happens when AI can fully edit cinematic videos automatically? What happens when creators can generate entire content strategies with a single prompt? Those possibilities are closer than most people realize. But no matter how powerful AI becomes, one thing will always matter on YouTube. Story. People come to YouTube for stories and human connection. Technology can assist with that. But emotion still drives engagement. So the real winning formula might not be AI versus humans. It might be AI plus humans. And if you're someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Because on AI Side Hustle, we'll keep running more experiments like this, testing new AI platforms and sharing what works. But now, I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will eventually be able to create fully viral YouTube videos on its own? Or will human creativity always be the secret ingredient? Drop your opinion in the comments below. I read them, and your ideas often inspire future experiments. And if you found this interesting, share this video with a friend. You never know. The next viral video might be created with the help of AI. Or maybe by someone watching this video right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next experiment.